Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little video here. I got my uprights in. Still no overhead on them yet, but that's going to be the beginning of my sorting alley. Got the post in for the feed line. Pretty close. I still need to pull a string line, come through and cut the tops of them off where we want them to be. I will come back through and saddle them and put a piece of drill pipe along the top, and then the feeder panels will go in between. I'm building those right now. I'll show you those later. Got some pointers and some ideas from Sours Cattle Co. It's a YouTube channel. Will, he's a real rancher, so you'll want to check him out if you haven't. He's a good guy out there in New Mexico. So down here, I used one of the gates we pulled out of the old horse pens. It's a little Kiwampus here, but it's gonna work. That bottom post right there, that hinge post, is bent, so I need to fix that so we can adjust this gate here. But anyway, I got that side done, finished. That's gonna be it for now for this year. I'm gonna end there. Next year I'm gonna come through and add on to this, go back to that there, and then turn and go straight back behind the barn. But for now I'm just gonna put some panels along here, so we'll call this good for now. But anyway, thought I'd show you this real quick before we I'm gonna throw some panels up here and put the cows in today. So we got a skip of snow and it's been raining on top of it, so it's time to get them home. But all right, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, I got a few of the feed panels finished. Got 3 out of the 7 done. That'll be enough to get me by for now. I'll work on the other 4 over the winter, but they're just shy of 10 feet long. That's just the dimension I needed to go between the posts on my feed line. I built them out of 1.5 inch scored tubing. It's 1/8 inch wall thick. It's 14 gauge steel on the sheet metal on the bottom. Between the slat spacings I got 13.5 inches. The one on the very end there on the right is just about a 1/2 inch shy of being a full space. So there's 6 total usable spaces, and that one on the end I'm pretty sure could be used by a calf, you know, possibly even a cow, no problem. But anyhow, it's my first try at something like this. It saved me quite a bit of money doing it myself. I couldn't buy them for what I got the material for. The labor was just a little bit, not too bad. I mean, it was work, you know, cutting them and mitering them and things like that, but it wasn't really too bad. So anyhow, kind of how they turned out. Got my little girl down here. I'm gonna let her go crazy with the spray paint and paint some of these welds. So anyhow, if you have any questions or any, you know, want to know anything about the dimensions or anything else, just feel free to let me know. Appreciate you guys watching. So real quick, I'm saddling these posts. I found a cool tool online. It's a pipe guide. It's for 2 7/8. It's made by Pipe Guide Pro. It's a pretty awesome product. Allows you to do 45s, 90s, saddles, and straight cuts. And so my saddling ran out this weekend. It was a holiday weekend, and so I had to trace these out and get them done with a grinder. So if you just have a few to do, you can do it with a grinder. It's not the easiest, but it's not too bad either. If you had a lot of them to do, you'd probably want to wait for your settling, but we just had a few here to finish, and this pipe guide is an awesome tool for someone like me who's not patient with the angles and the math and stuff. So just quick trace it out, and as you can see, it's pretty darn close. So if you're interested in them, I got it off Amazon. I think you can get them from right there, pipeproguides.com. So they got 2 3/8, 3, several different sizes on their website. So anyhow, cool little tool. Thought I'd show it and share it with you. Thanks. Okay, I got my overhead on for my alleyway. Got the feed line tops on, and here's the feeder panels, just in place for temporary, using some U-bolts and some wire. There's going to be a concrete slab down this whole thing, a 6-inch thick slab, and that'll raise those up to where they need to be, and then we'll get them squared up and get them in with some more permanent style brackets. But anyway, that's it. I'll show you when they use it and see how they like it. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Okay, got them up and got them using them. Cows are liking the panels.